How to unlock LinkedIn creator mode. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. As you can see, these are updates to creator mode. Creator mode was launched to help members access more sharing tools, analytics, and set up their profile to show their audience what they post about on LinkedIn. And these are some informations about creator mode. Simply open LinkedIn, your profile, and click on Me at the top. Then you'll find these options pop up in the Me section. In here, click on Settings. After you press on Settings and Privacy, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Visibility and scroll down in Visibility. In the Visibility section at the last, you will find Followers. Click on it. After you click on Followers, make sure who can follow you is in everyone on LinkedIn. And as you can see, you can turn on Make Follow Primary as well. And if enabled, follow will be the primary action when members view your profile. And this is how to unlock LinkedIn creator mode. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.